Hi guys, just to let you know, I'm running a free scanner on YouTube every day. Starts 6 AM UK and doesn't finish until 9 PM, which covers Northern European markets all the way through to the American markets, and it scans the markets for 15-minute bars. Like so, like this here, 15-minute bar here. I'd also looked for fractals, which fractals, these are the green breakout long. Green breakout there, red for breakdowns. This is on a 15-minute chart. We have on the right hand side here, we have an hour chart, and it tells you where the key pivot points are. The line here tells you the 9 EMA, the 200 EMA on the 1 hour, and this here to the left hand side shows you how many opportunities there are currently. And at the bottom here, you can see here at the moment there are 12 opportunities, either 15-minute bars, 15-minute fractals, or 1 hour pullbacks. They're all there for you all day, every day, totally free. Look at the links below in the description, and then you will be able to get yourself a free 15-minute strategy. This is the free 15-minute bar guide. So I'll just push this up so you can see that. Here we are, 15-minute, how to find a 15-minute bar setup. It goes through the setup, what you need to be looking at. So when you're looking at the scalar, you know what you're doing. Look at the EMAs in sequence so you know what you're doing again. And then it will tell you the type of candles you want to be looking for again. Dead simple. In the description, you'll see the download, or you can just go straight to my website, download them for free, no charge whatsoever. I'll do a longer instruction video for this, just so you know. Come down every day, 5 days a week, come and have a look, totally free.